Hey everyone, it's Dawn here. I'm doing a voiceover and showing you, this was a video that I took when I bought the motorhome, and when I was first looking at it and I wanted to see the condition of the roof. I didn't know what I was looking at, but this is a roof that leaks. We have water damage inside, leaking, and it is bad condition. So this is what you're looking at, and then in a second I'll show you what I've done so far in terms of fixing it up. I just got it done today, still not over. I only got a couple coats on. So resealing the roof is almost done. I have the second coat on. It's kind of hard to do it today. Today and tomorrow we are in an excessive heat warning. 107 degrees out, and it's super hot on the roof, but I wanted to get this done. So I did the first coat, had a little heat stroke, went inside and took a break, and that was good because it gave this time, the first coat, time to dry, and then came back out to do the second coat. So everything has new caulk on it, all the way around, and then 2 coats of the roof sealant, or so roof coating, sealing, and then caulking around all the vents and stuff. So should be quite waterproof now, but we do need more coats. But I think I'm gonna let this give it 2 days to dry and then continue on. So here's a close-up. This is closer to me, so easier to film this part over here. But I think it's looking really good. And in comparison, this is a newer roof. This is my neighbor's, and you can see. Oh wait, how come I can't zoom? You can see that's their caulking. The sun is just really harsh out here, so you know, things like the edges and the trims and all that all need to get serviced and redone, and the caulking gets dried and starts peeling up. Not saying that his is like that, I'm just saying that this is the what you would expect. Their life. I can't talk right now. I'm a little heat stroked, but yeah. So this is when you do it nice and new, and it'll probably look good like this for 2 days, and then it'll look horrible because of the sun. But yay! Sealing the roof is almost done. At least at this point, it is serviceable. No more leaks. I don't have to worry about leaks inside anymore. I probably like to do another couple coats, or just whatever, use up my, I got 4.5 gallons of the roof sealant. I'll probably just keep putting on coats until I use that all up, just so that I'm not wasting it. And yeah. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.